Where to find foreclosure property? Many people think that foreclosures first pop up on Zillow or on the MLS, but the foreclosure process begins way before that. Before these houses go into foreclosure, they go through a long process called pre-foreclosures. This process takes about 120 days since the moment that the owner has their payment on past due. There's two types of foreclosures. The one we're going to go over through today is non-judicial. The first part of the foreclosure is actually when the lender is sending a whole bunch of letters to the owner that they're past due on their payment. After several months of this period, this is when it hits public notice. Legally, lenders are supposed to let everybody know that this property is going to go into foreclosure, and they give them an auction date. This is published on the newspapers. Yes, they still use newspapers today, people. This is in like the small portions of the newspaper, where like nobody reads. Now during this process, the home could be sold to somebody else. Let's say that sales date is reached, meaning the auction date. Now the lender, in other words, the bank, assigns a trustee to deal with the foreclosure process. During this period, the lawyer assigns an auctioneer, and this is the person that holds the auction at the courthouse steps. Now this is the process where you see properties in websites like auction.com, Hubzu, and yes, literally, these auctions are at the courthouse steps outside. It don't matter the weather, it don't matter if it's raining, nothing.
I better down better on 15, 20, I better down better on 15, better down better on 20, down 5, better down better on 30, and 30, and 30, 25, better down better on 30.
Now, if the house is not sold at the courthouse steps, it becomes an REO, which stands for real estate owned. This is the part where everybody sees it on Zillow, on Redfin, everywhere else. This is still a good deal. However, you could have gotten it cheaper at a previous time. The further down the road this property is, the more expensive it's going to be to buy it. If you think you got some value out of this video, like, share, and show some love.